So I'm going to show you how to add slow motion effects to this footage, and it's very easy. So first, all thing you're going to do is that let's play and see how it's working. So there's supercell footage, so I'm going to use this side to just show you how to do it. So how you check the speed. So only thing we're gonna do is that we're going to choose this tool. These are two, and we're going to check where we want to cut it. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure this is going to start from here. So we're going to cut it here and to this side. Okay, so when you're done with it, okay, or we can just keep it just like that, and we'll move to right click and move to speed and change the speed to 20. Make sure your pages I'm thinking 60 frames, and it's gonna get you what it just needs. So right now let's see how it's gonna work. Okay, so let's render it. Enter. It's gonna render for us to just check the frames, the rendering frames. Okay, so let's wait for it. So this one is so cool and an easy way to just do it. Okay, have you seen it? So that's it. So all the thing you're gonna do is that don't always, if one will do it to make it smooth, change the frame sampling to optical flow. If you take into this one, it's gonna give us this. Okay, so when you try to render and see how it's going to give us. This model is just different, but if you want it to be smooth and slow motion to be perfect, you will turn it to this and make sure the speed is going to be around 20. Okay, then we hit OK, and let's see, it's great. Or we can just push it into like this and cut here, and just turn this one to 30, or we can make it 20, same thing, but I'm going to use 30 to show you. Then we'll add this one to it. So it's going to start from the beginning. Sorry. So let's start running and see how it's going to work. Okay, have you seen? So smooth. Okay, so guys, today this is what I just want to show you, and you guys all get me. So I'm about to sell my presets and a lot of things, retouch and stuff, courses for you to just learn. Doesn't cost much. So subscribe to my page, comment and like, and see you for the next video. Bye.